Create stunning text match cuts that will take your video to the next level, so let's get started. First, click on your video to add it to the timeline. Next, separate the audio from the video by right-clicking and choosing the option to detach audio, then delete the video. Import a white background to the timeline and adjust its length to match your audio. Drag a black background to the timeline as an overlay. Adjust its length and size if necessary. With the black background selected, go to Basic and change the opacity to 15%. Now, drag the text you want to use to the timeline as an overlay and adjust its length to match the rest of your layers. With your text selected, go to Basic, change the blend mode to multiply, and increase the scale to around 200 or to your liking. Now, go to your audio and split it between every word. Do the same for all the audio. For demonstration, I'll show you with 3 words. Select the text and divide it at each point where the audio is split. This means you should have a separate piece of text corresponding to each segment of the audio. Increase the size of the timeline by pressing the plus sign to see the layers better. Select the first text, where you have your first word. Duplicate this layer and adjust its position to match your main layer. Go to Basic, change the blend mode back to normal. Next, go to Mask, choose Rectangle, position the mask right on the word, adjust the size. Apply a feathering effect of 2. Go back, choose Color Adjustment, set brightness to -50 and highlights to -50. Then, back to Basic. Increase the scale to 261 or to your preference, positioning the scaled word over the main word. Remember to apply the same scale size to the rest of the words. Now, go to the second text. Select the text and find your word, in this case, stunning. Once found, duplicate this layer and adjust the position to match your main layer. Go to Basic, change the blend mode to normal. Go to Mask, choose Rectangle, and position the mask right on the word, adjusting the size. Add a feather of 2. Return to Basic, Color Adjustment, set brightness to -50 and highlights to -50. Back to Basic. Go to Scale, and as I mentioned before, adjust each word to match the first one, ensuring they look consistent. I will scale all of them to 261. And position it on the original word. Continue this process for all the words. Once done, go to Effects and search for Chroma Blur. Drag the effect between the main text layer and the duplicated text layer. With the effect selected, go to Effect Basic and set the lateral chromatic aberration to 51 and the blur to 20. Continue this process for all the words. Once done, your text match cuts will look amazing. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other awesome text effects tutorials. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.